Good morning, everybody. My name is Alejandro Arrieta, Customer Operations Engineer from Cloudera, and today we are going to see how to enable Resource Manager High Availability with Ambari. The agenda. First, we are going to see relevant links, then recommendations, then description of current cluster, and finally, demo with steps. Relevant links. First, the official product documentation link of Hortonworks Cloudera products. Second, the community forum. And third, the link of the manual to enable Resource Manager High Availability with Ambari. We are going to follow this guide. Description of current cluster. Cluster name C465. We have 4 nodes, node 1 to 4. The resource manager is located in node 2. The new resource manager will be located in node 3. We will enable resource manager high availability on the previous nodes. We have 3 zookeepers in node 2, 3, and 4. If you are working in an HTTP 2.2 or later environment, you can configure high availability for Resource Manager by using the Enable Resource Manager HA wizard. You must have at least 3 hosts in your cluster and 3 Apache Zookeeper servers running. And now we go to the demo. In Ambari Web User Interface, browse to Services, Yarn, and Summary. Select Service Actions and choose Enable Resource Manager HA. The Enable Resource Manager HA wizard launches, describing a set of automated and manual steps that you must take to set up Resource Manager High Availability. On Get Started, read the overview of Enabling Resource Manager HA. Click Next to proceed. On Select Host, accept the default selection or choose an available host. Click Next to proceed. On Review Selections, expand Yarn if necessary to review all the configuration changes proposed for Yarn. Click Next to approve the changes and start automatically configuring Resource Manager HA. On Configure Components, click Complete when all the progress bars finish tracking. Restart any components using Ambari Web User Interface if necessary. You can test Resource Manager HA, stopping the active Resource Manager and checking if the standby Resource Manager becomes active. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, give a like, leave a comment, and have a nice day.